And welcome to the Tuesday edition of Witchcraftin. Today I am going to show you how to make a polymer clay bird skull. Of course you will need some polymer clay. You want to roll your polymer clay into a ball about a ½ inch or bigger if you want a bigger skull. Just roll and roll and roll and roll till you get the size you need. And then after we've got our shape, we're going to make a cone shape. You just keep stretching and pulling on the front till you get a cone that is about like this. And then in order to make our bird skull, we want to make this little indentation here where the beak and the head are separated. So you're just going to take, some kind of tool. I simply have a, it goes like when you make your own caramel apples, the stick that goes down at that's all this is, just a stick. So I just, make that indentation there. Then I make my nose holes, kind of hollow them out just a bit, make them a little bigger, there, like that. And then we're going to, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, this one has a spot where I want the eye to be, so I'm going to take that, poke it in there, hollow it out, just round and round we go, just make it bigger and bigger till you get the size that you like. Let's see, round and round we go. And keep, if his head gets out of shape, just keep kind of reshape it. I like to make huge eye holes there. And then I want to make the, give it a little bit of character, so I'm going to make the indentations on the beak and the head. I'm simply just where I made the indentation earlier, go from there, and just kind of take a couple lines and carve up and around the eye. There on one side, and then again on the other side. And just because I like the way it looks, I draw a line down the middle of the beak. You do not have to. And I like a line on the side, and it works better if I use this. It's more, you can see the lines better. There, repeat on the other side. There. Then I like to do one down the back of the skull. Go back over his eye indentations. And just play around with it till it is to your liking. And before I bake it, I made, a little wire so I can hang it and make it a charm. I'm just going to put that in the back of his head. And that way. Now he is ready to bake at, I like to do mine about 230, 240 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness. And once, you've got him all baked, and he is all, for video purposes, I've got one here that's already baked. And then we're going to take some, of course, once it's cool down, we're going to take some, I like to use, not cardboard, chalkboard paint to antique him, to get, the look here. Just simply, I shake it all up. I had a paper towel, but I don't know where I want to. Shake it up. I can get it to come out. I know it's in there. It's just thick. It does not want to come out. Well, doggone it. It's not liking me today. Well, scrape her out. Make sure that you get it down in the crevices, your little holes there you made. Usually I use paper towel, but just get on there. Cover. Yeah, it's okay to get your fingers dirty. Rub it all in there. Get down dirty with the paint. Rub it all over. Get the back side. And make sure you get in the sockets there. Just get it all over. And then we're going to just simply rub it off. Because you don't want the whole thing to stay black. But just rub off as much as you want. It's to your liking. And then just let the paint dry and varnish it if you choose. But this is your finished product. So I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week.